Morning, welcome to the Egg Lab. Today we're having a look at this Nintendo DS. So this is an original Nintendo DS, the Mark 1, which is sometimes referred to as the fat model. It's actually, for me, really unusual. I think the first one I ever had was a slim version, and this is very different. But yeah, the case is in a pretty terrible state. Well, it's just been well loved, obviously well used. The screen and hinges smashed. So yeah, let's see what we've got. Okay, so it doesn't power on, but you know, God knows the last time it was actually switched on. So we're going to plug it in and see if we can give it a charge. And that felt really tight, so I suspect that's had some hammer as well. But we can see it's not drawing any ampage. So I would suggest that is not charging. Try and power it on now. Yeah, just nothing.